Chris, let's dive into the first challenge that we decide to tackle together, which is to go from 2D drawing requirements to 3D metrology in record time.
So it basically comes down to this. As a manufacturer, you need to take a 2D drawing from either your customer or your design team, and you need to somehow convert that 2D drawing into a full batch of shippable parts. Okay? Now, between taking your 2D drawing and those shippable parts, you have dozens of people and processes that all need to work together.
Yeah, and I've seen this a lot in my 25 years in the industry, Chris. Every time you have handoff between departments or systems, you're risking typos, or you can misinterpret the original design intent.
Yeah, exactly. And beyond that, every time that you get a new revision from your customer, each one of those revisions means that you have to reballoon, reprogram, and revalidate all the results.
You're right, and we've seen that a lot in companies today.
Together, we've developed a connected workflow that eliminates interpretation, reduces errors, and accelerates inspection planning by up to 5 times.
Now let's see how QA and InnovMetric join forces to speed up and make it robust, moving from 2D drawing to 3D metrology.